Now we are about to see one of Isaac Asimov's stories, The Fun They Had. Isaac Asimov has written the story in the year 1951 for a newspaper, especially for children, as continuous episodes. Then these episodes were collected together and reprinted in February 1954 as the magazine of fantasy and science fiction. Then the stories were reprinted in many of the years in many of the books. At first, in the year 1957, the story is reprinted in Earth is Room Enough. Then, in the year 1960, the story took place as one of the stories in the book 50 Short Science Fiction Tales. Then, in the year 1973, in the book The Best of Isaac Asimov, this story has taken place. Isaac Asimov has a view how would be the schools and education system in future. With that view, he has presented this story in a nice manner. He has written the story as if it takes place in the year 2157, that is nearly after 200 years from the time when he writes this story. Let's move on into the story. In the story, two children named Maggie and Tommy were the main characters. When the story opens, Maggie wrote in her diary that day, that is 17 May 2157, her friend Tommy found a real book. The real book refers the book what we have now, the printed book. And the book they found were very old. Margie's grandfather once said to Margie that when he was a little boy, when Margie's grandfather was a little boy, his grandfather used to say that they had read the stories which were printed on paper. So, when we think of Margie and Tommy, real books were in practice nearly 150 years ago. When Tommy and Margie started to read the book, it was yellowish and it was crinkly too. Crinkly means nothing but the pages which have a lot of lines and folds. When they start to read the book, it was very funny for them because the words which is in the pages stood still. They are accustomed to ebooks. So the computer screens, it would move the text always when they read. So when they open a real book and read, they feel that the letters, the words, the sentences and pages stood still. It was not moving. And when they turned some other pages and again come back to the first page what they read, they think that the text which is on the first page was the same when they read in the first time. For example, if you take page number 6 and read the story, when you complete the story in page number 9, again when you come to page 6, the words would be the same. There won't be any change in words. But in ebooks, when they move back to the text would be different. So it was completely funny and new for them. And according to Tommy, this old book, this printed book was a waste because he thinks that once read, human beings have to throw this printed book away. It is of no use for them. But in their computer system, they can save hundreds and hundreds of books and again they can read. It won't occupy much space too. But the printed books, it will occupy space and once read, it is waste, he thinks. And Margie too accepted his view because Margie was a little bit younger than Tommy. Tommy was a 13-year-old boy and Margie was 11-year-old girl. And Margie now started to question where did Tommy find this book? And Tommy replied that he found it in the house attic. He was busy reading the book, so he didn't even turn to Margie. He was simply saying the answer, but he didn't look at Margie. Then Margie again questioned, what was the book about? Immediately, Tommy replied, about school. Now, Margie was a little bit confused. She thinks, what is there to write about a school? Because Margie hated school. Now, in the present time, Margie started to hate school much because she had only mechanical teacher, and that mechanical teacher was giving test after test in geography, and in each and every test she started to get worse and worse marks, so that her mother was completely dejected. She felt a little bit sorrow for this, and she immediately called for county inspector to mend the mechanical teacher. Margie's mother might think there may be some problem in mechanical teacher, so that she calls county inspector. In mechanical teacher or robotic teacher, children, depending upon their age, they'll be set a level when they start their education. In the school system also, first standard, the children will be given a syllabus. When they complete, when they pass that, that will be given a different syllabus in second standard. So just like that, at first when the children start their education in mechanical teacher, they'll be given a level. When the child finishes that level, immediately they can move on to the next level. The time doesn't matter. A child may finishes one level within a month. Another child may take 3 months to complete that level. Doesn't matter. When the child finishes that level only, they can move on to the next level. So now Margie may be a little bit weak in geography, especially in that lesson, so that she didn't get the expected outcome or result. So that her mechanical teacher was again and again teaching that particular geography lesson, and it was keeping test after test. As Margie didn't like that, she was getting worse and worse marks. Now, the county inspector who has to mend the machine has come. He was a short man, and he was a little bit a blumpy man, and he came with his toolbox. He, that county inspector, smiled at Margie. He gave Margie an apple. Then he immediately took the teacher from that particular room to mend that. Margie didn't like her mechanical teacher. She thinks her mechanical teacher was large, black, and ugly. It had a big screen. In that screen, all the lessons were shown. When the lessons were over, it would ask questions too. Questions would be displayed on large screen. So Margie hated the lessons which is displayed and the questions which is asked. Margie could at least tolerate the lessons and questions which is displayed in the screen. But the most hated thing to Margie was the slot. There will be a slot in that the children had to insert their homework as well as test papers. If you go to ATM center to take money, you might insert the card in a slot. So just like that, in mechanical teacher, there is a slot. In that slot, children had to insert their homework and test papers. As the written paper wouldn't be accepted by the mechanical teacher, they had to write it in a special thing called punch code. When a child was 6 years old, they had to learn that punch code. So Margie too, when she was 6 years old, she had learned that, and with that punch code only, she was writing her homework as well as test. The mechanical teacher, when the homework is inserted, it would calculate the marks in a fraction of minute. So That also was not at all liked by Margie. County inspector, he came back with a smile because he had completed his work. He gave Margie a little bit pat, just in affection. He gave a pat and he told Margie's mother that it was not Margie's fault getting worse and worse marks in geography. It's not Margie's fault, he told. Maybe the geography sector might be geared a little bit too quick for an average 11-year child, so that only Margie's performance was not satisfactory, he told. Other than geography, the other subjects Margie was good at. It was a satisfactory performance. So, county inspector said the geography sector a little bit slow and he went back. Now, Margie was completely disappointed. She was sad because she thought that county inspector may come and take away the machine for even month. This happened once. Tommy's teacher was once in repair and the county inspector took that away for month. So now Margie was thinking her mechanical teacher might also be taken for month, but that didn't happen. It was mended within a few minutes. Now the teacher is ready to teach for Margie. As she hated mechanical teacher only, Margie questioned, why should one write about school? Now Tommy was looking at Margie with some superior eyes because he was a little bit senior to Margie. So he was looking at her superior eyes and he immediately told it is not their kind of school. He even just called her stupid. It was old kind of school, he said. The old kind of school which was hundreds and hundreds of years back. And he proudly said centuries ago. Now Margie felt little bit hurt. Margie too started to read the book through Tommy's shoulders. And she was just saying, anyway, they had a teacher, isn't it? Tommy immediately said, yes, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. Now Margie couldn't understand how could a man, a human being, could be a teacher. For them, only machines or robots would be teachers. Tommy told Margie that a man, as a teacher, taught both boys and girls the same things, gave them homework, asked them questions, did everything. According to Margie, a man is not smart enough just like a machine. But Tommy argued that a man could be intelligent or even far better than a machine. He even bet because he told that his father knew as much as his teacher, that is mechanical teacher, knows. Margie don't want to argue about this matter. She immediately told she won't like a strange man in his house to teach her. Immediately, Tommy couldn't control his laughter. They had mechanical teacher only in their house. In their house, a part of room would be allotted as school and mechanical teacher would be there. So immediately Margie imagined a teacher, a human being will live with each and every child and teach the child. So that Tommy started to laugh. He also told that teachers won't live in the house along with the children. There would be a special building called school. Each and every child had to go to school, and each and every child of the same age learned the same thing. So again Margie had a doubt. How would the children of same age would learn the same concepts? Because depending upon their level in mechanical teacher, they can go for next topics or levels. Here, how is it possible? She thinks. Immediately, Tommy was a little bit annoyed. So he told that if you're not interested, you no need to read the book, he said. They hadn't read even half of the book. Within that time itself, Margie's mother started to call her for school. Margie was not at all interested, so she told, "Not at Mama." But Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones, was a little bit strong. It was time for Tommy also to go to school to learn from his mechanical teacher. So immediately, Margie told Tommy that they can read the book after school. Tommy didn't have any interest to read along with Margie, even though he said simply maybe, and he took the book, he kept it under his arm, and he started to walk towards his schoolroom. Margie went into her classroom. Already the mechanical teacher is on. It was waiting for Margie, and the screen immediately it showed. Today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Margie, she just inserted the homework with a deep breath. Sitting inside the classroom, Margie started to think about the old schools. How her grandfather's grandfather, as a little boy, might have enjoyed in school. She thinks how all the children of the neighborhood might have came to school together. They might have chatted, laughed, shouted in the school. They might have sat together in the classroom. They might have learned the same things so that whenever they had a doubt, they can clarify with other classmates. They would have some classmate friends to share what they think. When they had some doubts in homework too, they can discuss and they can do easily. And the teachers, they were human beings. She was thinking about all these things. At the same time, the mechanical teacher, it was flashing. When we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, but now Margie was thinking how the kids might have loved the school and how they might have enjoyed the school. She was thinking about the fun the children had in the old kind of schools.